Right, so that's that weld. I haven't got the steadiest of hands, but it does the job. Got to remember, I've only just got this machine and I'm only just beginning to weld by TIG, so it's a lot harder than it is on MIG, way harder. And all them videos you see on Facebook and YouTube, they've got years and years of experience in doing this. But yeah, I'm happy with that. That cleaned up well. Right, so that's all welded up now. Just welded the O2 bung in. That doesn't come out too bad. And then I got my flange welds, one of the first welds that I did. It's looking a bit focusing. Some bits are okay, but others aren't. And then again, it's just, here's what it is. I mean, there's not too bad. Going around the side there, and then on this joint here, I had it set up a little bit too high. I've got a pedal, but I'm again in the beginning process of, you know, beginning, so the pedal was just a bit too much to get my head around at this moment in time. If I go around here, there's a bit I'm really proud of. Look at that, almost looks professional, that little bit. But yeah, again, blew a hole in there, so I had to fill that up. And this bit here, I've had to use the old flange because I couldn't find a stainless flange, so I just cut it off, and that just went inside with a little swage tool, and I just migged that together because I didn't want to TIG together with stainless TIG rods. So yeah, that's all ready to go back on the car, along with the Piper centre section. Right, we've got it all bolted up. Nice new gasket in there, some gasket sealant, stainless bolts. As I say, I'm a bit disappointed that I had to use the old flange, but I couldn't find a stainless flange in that size and bolt pattern, unfortunately. But it is what it is. We can adjust that later on in the day if we need to. But you can see how close I got it up into the sump. And then a little flexi. The only thing I have missed is there's a mount there. So I might put a little bit of 8mm bar in there and put that mount on, but we've got some more mounts down here anyway, so it doesn't really make a difference. O2 sensor, that all went in quite nicely. Again, all new stainless bolts. No gasket in this one because it's a slide fit. You just need to put a little bit of exhaust paste in there. Normally I use a bit of silicone sealant, but I ain't got any. This is the Piper centre section, de-resonated one. And then get to the back, just put a light on. And this is the rear box that I've got, which is I'm not really too sure what it is. I think it's a Piper one, looking at the slash tip on it, but there's no signs on it whatsoever. But this is a 1.8 Piper back box, so it's a 2.25 inch. So I was hoping that I could just join them two up there, them flanges, because the flanges actually fit and I can get bolts through it, but because that's got that little slip joint in there, that needs to go inside the section for the rear box, that don't actually fit. So I've ordered a Piper rear box for it now. I'm just waiting for that to come along, and then we can bolt that in, and we've got a complete exhaust system. So yeah, we're just waiting for that. It's going to be probably a couple of weeks to be honest with you, but it is what it is. We'll leave it here for now, and I'll come back to you when we got the Piper box.
Several days later.
Alright, we've got the new Piper back box. This is for a 180, so it's 2.5 inch inlet. I've gone for the slash tip again, same as that one. And you can see the old one there. So we're just going to pull this one off and get the new one on, and hopefully it'll be all good. Right, so we got it on. All nicely buttoned up in the mounts. Trouble is, it's the wrong exhaust. This is for a Mark 1 hatch, as you can see. So we'll get on to Piper and see what they're going to do about it. But anyway, we're going to fit some wheel arch liners now at the front and the under tray, and we're going to get it in through the MOT anyway. Alright, got the wheels off. As you can see, you need to put the liner in, and there's one that goes across the bottom there as well. So I've printed out the sheet there, got my part numbers, and again all genuine NG Rover bolts and stuff, so I know which one to pick up and where it goes in relation to the diagram. So I'll get them fitted now. Yeah, I've got 2 wheel arches liners, one on either side, and obviously I've got this tray here for the 1.8 petrol. Right, got all the plastics on now. Let's see, a little bit dark. I just gave them a little bit of a clean up and some engine dressing on there. Come up okay. I had to drill out these 3 bolts though, because whoever took it out last time sheared the bolts out. But yeah, all drilled out, tapped up to nicely. You can see the exhaust running all the way down the centre of the car. Little view from the back. As I say, that is the wrong tip. I have contacted Piper and they said, oh, we don't do a Mark II hatch, so you're the test pilot, give him some measurements and we'll get that all sorted for you. So hopefully that's enough just to get it through, get on the road for now, so we can start driving it. Right, it's all done on the ground, torqued up all the wheels. Just had to sort the washer jets out because they didn't work, but now they do nicely. Just needed a blow top up and a good blow out of the jets, and then just needed to secure the battery. Battery's in the boot in this. Just needed to put a clamp in there, but now that battery's nice and secure, so it's not going to go anywhere on the road. Yeah, so we'll get it out now, and I'm going to give it a little road test and make sure it all gets up to temperature okay and it's all good. And then yeah, once I've done that in another video, I'll do like a proper road test in it. Right, there we go, that's all done, road tested, drives lovely. I think I might hit a boost cut at some point when I was giving some beans in second gear, but we'll figure that out later on. So yeah, just need to give it a wash and tax it, and we'll go from there. And hopefully we'll have a video of it on the dyno, see what it does, see if there's any tweaks we need to make. Obviously the exhaust needs sorting still, but again it just gets us on the road, which is nice. It'd be nice just to go out and drive it after 6 months of owning it and not actually doing anything. But yeah, that's where we're going to end this video today, and we'll see you in the next one.